Welcome to the University of Colorado Cancer Center. I and we are so happy that you're joining us. I'm Rich Schulick. I'm the director of the Cancer Center. I'm also a surgeon, and I also do research.
The National Cancer Institute designation is incredibly important to the Cancer Center. It's an elite status.
We're an NCI comprehensive cancer center. So what that means is, in addition to our great clinical care, we have cutting-edge research and great educational programs.
So from clinical to basic science to population biology, these cancer centers are deemed to be sort of the most outstanding in the country. And this is important both for our peers in terms of the reputation that we have, but also for attracting patients to our medical center.
We give our patients access to the latest clinical trials, and we contribute a lot of research to elevate our ability to care for cancer patients. So we are part of the NCCN, which is really important because this group actually gives guidelines on how to best care for cancer patients. And the NCCN guidelines are read all over the world. They really set the standard for taking the best care of all cancer patients. We have many representatives from the University of Colorado that we send to these NCCN meetings, and they come up with the consensus guidelines and statements that govern how to best take care of, say, a patient with colorectal cancer, or somebody with lung cancer, or any of the other major cancers.
The cancer-centered work around prevention is essential for the community. We can change lives. It's so much better to never get the disease and have it prevented or detected early when the outcomes are optimal. So prevention and control is absolutely important.
Clinical trials are extremely important for our patients with cancer, and very important for our cancer center to contribute to the knowledge to take the best care of cancer patients. There are several different types of clinical trials. One important one is where we make a discovery in our laboratories about cancer cells and normal cells, and we find a strategy that might be exploited so that we can attack cancer cells and spare normal cells. If these show great effect, then what we do is we take these results to the FDA and look for approval so that this treatment can become standard of care. There are two new areas of emphasis within our cancer center. One is community outreach and engagement, and the purpose of these programs is to make sure that we really listen to our communities, understand what they need and what they want, and that we make our communication bi-directional. Not only should we be disseminating information from the Cancer Center, but we should spend a lot of time listening to our communities to understand how to best help them. Our other is our plan to enhance diversity, or PED. We have put a lot of thought and activity into the diverse, equitable, and inclusive DEI space. It is extremely important to have leaders, members, and trainees that reflect the population of Colorado and reflect the population of the United States.
We need to incorporate the perspectives of everyone, and we can always be more inclusive, and it's a challenge to all of us to think about how it is we do that so that we are providing better solutions to reduce the burden of cancer and hopefully to prevent cancer altogether.
The more diverse your workforce is, the different ideas and sort of experiences that are brought into thinking about research, thinking about how to run the operation, adds value to the overall operation and increases the chance that you're going to have the next innovative discovery.
The University of Colorado Cancer Center has great clinical partners. Just to name a few, we partner with the UC Health System, we partner with Children's Colorado, We partner with the VA, and we even have a partnership with Colorado State University with the Flint Animal Cancer Center, which is really unique because we have clinical trials that can cross between humans and animals like dogs.
The Flint Animal Cancer Center up at CSU is one of the largest, if not the largest, animal cancer center in the country. And so those companion animals can go on clinical trials. There's research to better understand the burden of cancer in our companion animals. And these trials are often in collaboration with investigators, for example, on our campus at Anschutz, where they will take this understanding of what's going on in dogs and even translate that into human clinical trials. And we have examples of that. I'd say what I'm most proud about is the impact that we've had in the clinical arena that emanated from some of the basic discoveries from our members. So we've had multiple examples of fundamental discoveries that have been made by members of our cancer community, and where these have then led to even FDA-approved drugs and treatments that have improved the lives of people. I think in the long run, so some of those fundamental discoveries in the basic science arena are going to continue to have even larger impacts moving forward. And so one of the things I really love about this cancer center is the collaborative nature within it. And I think this is what makes this all possible.
What I'm most proud of are the people. We've done a great job at bringing the best and the brightest here to the University of Colorado Cancer Center, and you can see what the effect has been.
The thing I'm most proud of is, as part of the Cancer Center, are all the faculty and staff and the members. This is an incredibly collaborative center. People are friendly, they get along well, and they want to solve problems. So this is a can-do organization that tackles the most challenging problems out there. That's why we take on cancer. So enjoy being here, enjoy being part of our team and solving problems.